Hello, welcome. This is Blockchain Bloom, the blockchain educator. I'm Attila Pinky, and in today's video, I'm going to talk about that a member of SEC, a SEC commissioner, is saying that Bitcoin ETF approval long overdue, and she wants Bitcoin ETF to be approved. Let's talk about this because Bitcoin ETF, when it comes out, it could be a big thing for the crypto market for Bitcoin. And the second news, which came out a couple of days ago, but I haven't talked about it, that 4,000 institutional funds in Germany can now invest 20% of portfolios in crypto assets. That could be also major in Germany. And the third one, that UK Bank Barclays blocks payment to Binance. Guys, all this in today's video. Don't forget, if you would like to stay up to date, the only thing you have to do, subscribe to this YouTube channel, Blockchain Bloom, hit the subscribe button, bell button, and then and I'm making you the videos every weekday. So from Monday to Friday, you're getting the freshest here on Blockchain Bloom. Check out the links under the video, useful links, also a free course, how to start to invest in Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies. And now it's time to look at the market, how that looks like. We can see that Bitcoin is at the present $33,896, which is a 1.3% decrease in the last 24 hours. We can see Ethereum also going down about 1%, $2,267. When we're looking at the winners of the day, KuCoin token leading with 40% in the top 100. We can see Synthetics going up 28%. Synthetics went up yesterday as well. We can see Aave 21%, Compound 20%. So some of the big guys going up now. And yeah, check out the losers real quick. Compared to winners, really no losers. When we see XDC minus 4%, TEL going down 2%, Quant 1.8, roughly 2%. And basically, you know, that's it. We do not have really losers now. Today, the market looks quite good. When we're looking at this candlestick chart, we can see on the daily, Bitcoin is still doing its moves, what it has started for a while. So basically sideways. Definitely, we can see a bearish trend now. So on the daily, it's definitely bearish. We came down. Since that, we witnessing here lower highs and lower lows, and we stay well above even the 50-day, but well above the 200-day moving average. So altogether, this is nothing to talk about, nothing bullish to talk about. And yeah, this continues: a red candle, a green candle, a red candle, a green candle, but actually with a downward trend. And now let's move on to the first news. And the first one, it's all about that one of the US SEC commissioners saying that Bitcoin ETF should be approved long ago, and she's really for it. So let's talk about that. A Bitcoin ETF could be a big thing. And it can come actually this year. The opportunity, the possibility is definitely there. And we have now people in the SEC who are saying that actually Bitcoin ETF approval long overdue. So let's talk about Hester Pierce, who is, you know, a SEC commissioner. She's saying that the regulator should have approved a Bitcoin exchange traded fund, which is an ETF, in the US long time ago. She emphasized that it is not the SEC's job to approve or reject application based on the merits of the underlying investment itself. People should make their own decision whether to buy Bitcoin, said the commissioner. So the SEC has yet to approve Bitcoin ETF. However, the industry is hopeful that things will change this year, since the SEC has a new chairman, as you know, Gary Gensler, who taught crypto and blockchain courses at Massachusetts Institute of Technology. And also the commissioner, Pierce, described that I thought that if we had applied our standards as we have applied them to other products, we would already have approved one or more of them. With each passing day, the rationale that we have used in the past for not approving seems to be grow weaker. So all the excuses why they say they not approve it, it's getting weaker and weaker day by day. She also saying that I think the market have matured quite a bit, and peers is not alone. Investment banks and fund managers are also seeing the same trend, and growing numbers of them have begun investing in Bitcoin or offering crypto services to clients, including Goldman Sachs, Morgan Stanley, and Citigroup, for instance. And also, she's adding that people should make their own decision if people don't want to buy Bitcoin because they think it is manipulated. They shouldn't buy Bitcoin. It's simple as that. So in many cases, they approve things. Just think about the stock market. Is the stock market manipulated? Of course it is. However, you can buy stock freely. You have no problem with that. Therefore, this is the reason why she's saying that if they would look Bitcoin as they looked at other products, they should allow it long ago. That means probably a Bitcoin ETF in the US can come out sooner or later, and many people predict it could be this year. And if that hits the market, that could be definitely some new fuel to bring the Bitcoin price back to the stage and even above where it was in spring. Okay, so this is, I think, quite important and good to have people in the SAC who are actually for Bitcoin. The next news I would like to talk about is that 4,000 institutional funds in Germany can now invest 20% of portfolios into crypto assets. And this is major as well. Okay, so, Germany is also for crypto. For instance, if you're holding your Bitcoin, you don't trade after a year, is tax-free. And now another thing which came from Germany, that 4,000 institutional funds in Germany can now invest 20% of portfolio in crypto assets. Around 4,000 institutional funds with almost 2 trillion euros in assets under management in Germany can now invest 20% of their portfolio in cryptocurrency, including Bitcoin. The highly anticipated Fund Location Act went into effect on the 1st of July in Germany, so basically in 5 days ago. If all special funds were allocated to full 20% in crypto, it would equate to more than 376 billion euros, in dollar 446 billion in US dollar. So pretty big money we're talking about here. Of course, not everything from the 20% would be in crypto, but if we max it out, then this could be the number we're looking at. Traditional special funds are open-ended, regulated investments funds limited to institutional investors, such as financial institutions, insurance companies, corporations, foundations, and churches. So as you can see, this is all about institutional investors, and there is the big money. And don't forget that Germany's economy in the EU, it's a major one, it's the leading one. Therefore, if these guys letting them to do their portfolio, 20% of their portfolio, put it into crypto, we should think about what other countries could do in the future. And if more and more countries will join in a similar way, then this could make a lot for Bitcoin and crypto, and it can bring a lot of money in to crypto market, which definitely will increase the price. So yeah, important to talk about this as well. Right, third news. The third news is all about the UK bank Barclays blocks payment into Binance. Yes, it's happening. We can see banks in the UK are not really happy about crypto. They think crypto is a bit suspicious. Therefore, we had this problems with HSBC, NatWest, and now UK Bank Barclays blocks payment to Binance as well. Here you can see this article. And let's talk about the details. So UK Bank Barclays said Monday it is blocking customers from using their debit and credit cards to make payments to crypto exchange Binance. Okay, so you can use the card to make the exchange to Binance. This action does not impact on ability for customers to withdraw funds from Binance. So what they still can do, they can withdraw their funds to the bank, Barclays, from Binance. However, they cannot use their credit and debit card to buy crypto. Or actually, send crypto to Binance, fiat. So the bank has been contacting customers who have used their cards on Binance this year, advising them it is stopping payments until further notice, according to tweets. The decision follows shortly after the UK Financial Conduct Authority, FCA, announced that Binance was not allowed to conduct any regulated activities in the country. As you know, I have talked about it last week, and this is story just continuing. Now this is the move from Barclays. So basically in the UK, the banks not really support crypto. However, they're not saying this going for forever, but definitely, as they say here, until further notice. So we will see how the story will develop over there. Guys, that's it for today. Smash the like button if you like this kind of content, and also subscribe to this YouTube channel, Blockchain Bloom, if you would like to follow every day what's happening in crypto, as I'm bringing you the freshest cryptocurrency and blockchain news from Monday to Friday. I wish you an amazing day, and of course, see you tomorrow. Have a good one.